Hey everybody, welcome to another episode of ADHD Fishing. My name is Matt, and today I'm going to teach you how to acquire free fishing gear. That sounds awesome? Then this video is for you. The world sure is a separated place nowadays. It's really hard to get along with everybody, or anybody. But we still have some things in common. And those things have to do with pooping. Your babies poop, you poop. I know you don't want to hear this, but girls, they poop. We all like to shower, stay clean, stay smelling good. We all poop, so we all use toilet paper. Since that is the case, you're going to need some toiletry supplies. What does it have to do with fishing gear? Well, I'll tell you. Let's face it, stores want our business. So they're going to come up with different marketing strategies to acquire that business. Target has a weekly ad that comes out on Sunday. And every Sunday, this ad, it shows different product categories that they're willing to give a kickback to the customer for buying multiple items. That kickback comes in the form of a gift card. If you check out this week's Target ad, you'll see that there are multiple deals they have where, hey, if you buy $100 worth of baby products, they're going to give you a $20 Target gift card. If you buy toilet paper, deodorant, body wash, shampoo, Q-tips, paper towel, they offer gift cards. I know that Target does not have a very good fishing selection. What's up with that? So you buy the products that you're going to buy anyway, and then Target gives you a gift card for making that purchase. Now, once you get up to $25 worth of Target gift cards, I recommend buying a Bass Pro Shops gift card. Good husband like me kicks down the door, kaboomy. I go inside and I say, hey wife, I bought all this baby gear. Check out all the diapers and wipes and formula I bought. Oh, and by the way, you know that body wash and shampoo that you love? Bought some of that too. Little does she know, I did it for the gift cards. There are also more tips and tricks for saving money and getting free fishing gear that I haven't even told you yet. But I will. Please hit that subscribe button. I'm going to continue to do this stuff as long as I see maybe a little bit of growth on my channel. I wish my channel grew as fast as my beard. Hey, once again, thanks for checking out the channel. And as I always say here at ADHD Fishing, keep your head in the clouds, but your mind on the water.